जैसे प्रफुल्ल पटेल, आज उनके सामने हम राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी के वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट की जिम्मेदारी उनके कंधे पर दे रहे हैं।
Sharad Pawar's daughter Supriya Sule and NCP Vice President Prafull Patil have been declared as working presidents of the party. Sharad Pawar made the announcement at the 25th anniversary of the party founded by him and P.A. Sangma in the year 1999. While Supriya Sule, who is an MP from Baramati, has been given the responsibility of Maharashtra, Haryana, Punjab, Women, Youth and Lok Sabha coordination, Prafull Patil will look after Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Goa. The announcement was made in the presence of Ajit Pawar, who is a key player in the NCP. NCP National General Secretary Sunil Tatkare has been given the responsibility of Odisha, West Bengal, Farmers and Minority Departments. Sharad Pawar also announced that Nanda Shastri is the Delhi NCP chief. After the announcement was made, Supriya Sule said that she was deeply grateful to the party, adding that she is determined to justify the trust reposed in her by the party. She said, and I quote, "I and Prafull Bhai Patel were elected as working presidents in a program organized on the occasion of NCP's anniversary. I am deeply grateful to the party organization for this. I am determined to justify the trust reposed in me by the party. It is believed that NCP leaders, functionaries, workers and well-wishers have received good support in the past and it will continue in the future. Thank you once again to respected Pawar Sahib, office bearers, senior leaders and activists for this responsibility," she said. Sharad Pawar had last month offered to resign from the presidency of the party, which was followed by fervent remonstrations from the party members as well as other political leaders. Pawar had taken back his resignation as national president as emotional party workers protested against his decision. An NCP panel formed to deliberate on Pawar's offer had on May 5th rejected his resignation and urged him to continue as the party president. So far, Sharad Pawar's nephew Ajit Pawar has not been entrusted with any responsibility. Sources said that Ajit Pawar is not upset with the announcement and he wants to work for Maharashtra. Earlier, there were speculations that Ajit Pawar would dump the NCP and join hands with the BJP after he skipped key party meetings. But later on, he issued a clarification that he has no plans to join the saffron camp.
जैसे प्रफुल्ल पटेल, आज उनके सामने हम राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी के वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट की जिम्मेदारी उनके कंधे पर दे रहे हैं और साथ उनके पास मध्य प्रदेश, गुजरात, राजस्थान, झारखंड, गोवा राज्यसभा का काम और इन राज्यों की जिम्मेदारी उनके कंधे पर दे रहे। दूसरी जिम्मेदारी सुप्रिया सुले, पार्लियामेंट के सदस्य, उनको भी हम वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट का अनाउंसमेंट करते हैं और उनके साथ महाराष्ट्र, हरियाणा, पंजाब, महिला, युवती एंड लोकसभा का कोऑर्डिनेशन, ये काम उनके ऊपर रखते हैं।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.